This oil is amazing for the thickening and growth of hair, eyelashes and eyebrows. Wonderful! Castor oil is a very effective natural remedy for many skin and hair problems, and you should certainly include it in your daily beauty routine. Castor oil can solve problems with the hair, improve the appearance of scars, cracked and dry lips and many other common problems. You can use castor oil to make your eyebrows thick and dark. Just buy the organic castor oil and apply it every night on your eyebrows. In 3 months you will notice a significant improvement. How does castor oil help your hair grow faster? You can use castor oil to improve the quality of your hair, eyelashes and eyebrows, and make them grow faster and thicker. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, a very effective natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. It prevents excessive growth of bacteria and fungi, strengthens hair and stops hair loss successfully. It is also rich in omega-9 fatty acids that are beneficial to hair as well as to the follicles and surrounding skin. Its unique ability to penetrate deeply into the pores and nourish the follicles makes it an incredible natural remedy for skin and hair care. You just have to apply 2 drops of castor oil to stimulate hair growth. Apply on your hands, rub one against the other and apply it along the entire length until you reach the ends. Be sure not to apply too much, it can make your hair look greasy. Start with a little and play with the amounts until you find what works best for you. It can be mixed with coconut oil or apricot kernel oil to make it easier for your application.